Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for accounting. First, you'll need to set up your company file and chart of accounts, which are essential for organizing your finances. Then, connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, customize your QuickBooks preferences to align with your unique business operations, ensuring the software works best for you. This initial setup is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Once set up, focus on recording your daily transactions. Accurately entering all income and expenses is vital for maintaining precise financial records. Make sure to reconcile your bank and credit card statements every month to catch any discrepancies and ensure your books match your actual accounts. Properly categorizing each transaction is also key, as it directly impacts the accuracy and usefulness of your financial reports later on. QuickBooks excels at generating insightful financial reports. Regularly run profit and loss reports to understand your business's performance over time. Create balance sheets to get a snapshot of your company's financial health, showing assets, liabilities, and equity. Additionally, generate sales tax reports to ensure compliance and simplify your tax filing process. These reports provide crucial data for making informed business decisions and planning for future growth. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks offers advanced features to streamline your accounting. Leverage invoicing and payroll tools to manage customer payments and employee compensation efficiently. Consider exploring third-party app integrations to extend QuickBooks functionality, connecting it with other business tools you use. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals. These advanced options can significantly enhance your financial management and overall business productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.